BRITT LATHRECE and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today. I just wanted to show you guys a gift that I received that I've been loving lately and just give you a really quick review, talk about it more so than like an unboxing. I don't know, like people like unboxings and I like them too, but then I don't know, they kind of stress me out a little, because you want it to be like exciting for, you guys too. And so I'm like, is it? I mean, yes, because we all love a package. We do. But, I just was like, let's just show it and talk about it and we can go from there. So this top that I'm wearing today is from Zara. I really specifically love the details. Just so cute, and this little Peter Pan collar situation gives me like all the vintage vibes. And it's so fun when you find something that is new, but kind of is like an ode to something old. You know what I mean? I think for the people who love vintage, y'all know what I'm talking about, So yeah, something I want to show you guys. Honestly, if I can be honest, it was not on my luxury wish list, but it is one of those items that you kind of don't know that you need it. And then you're like, oh wow, this actually needs to be on more lists because it's solid. Cosmetic pouch. Honestly, when I got it, I cried because it's like one of those things where you just have some friends that know you just so well and you're like, they know. And this is an item that, hold on girl, I thought I heard some noises. I was like, oh no, I gotta stop the video. No, okay, we're good. I had a really crusty one from Forever 21 that I loved before this and had it in place for a really long time. So as soon as I got this, y'all, I threw that one in the trash. I threw it in the trash with a quickness. So y'all, clearly sis was excited. Sis, aka me, was very excited. I don't know what I want to do with my hair right now. I love it so much. It is a smaller size. What I do like about the smaller size is this is one that you can take with you. It's like nice. You can just easily stick it in your purse, have it with you all throughout the day. It fits quite a bit of stuff, actually just as much as my old one fit. So it was perfect in terms of the size. And honestly, I can't think of why this wasn't on my luxe wish list. I think, I get caught up sometime with like the bag. One of the reasons I love LV is because they have so many things that can add a little bit of luxe to your daily lifestyle. And this is exactly what I love the house for. These are the type of items that I'm like, y'all be knowing. So yeah, this is it. She is a beauty. I will show you up close. As you can see, a little zipper, a little vachetta. Just so pretty. I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. I have a number of things in here. Let me actually reset this up to film a little bit differently and we'll get right to it. Let's quickly talk about what can fit into this cosmetic pouch, shall we? Lego. All right, first things first is this deodorant removing sponge. It is fabulous and such a game changer because I like to wear a lot of dark clothing. Next up is my translucent powder. And of course, a brush to apply your translucent powder. Y'all, why am I like this? Come get me, y'all, please. Some lotion to keep my hands moisturized throughout the day. Face moisturizer in the event I'm just in some drier elements and need to reapply for any reason whatsoever. A foundation stick just in case I need to do some touch-ups throughout the day. Feminine care products. My lipstick. I love it. My lip gloss. That just sets it all off. Jada Pinkett. Some dental floss. Y'all, I hate stuff being stuck in my teeth. I really do. Some more feminine care products. You can never have too many. A sanitizing alcohol wipe. Hey. And then I'm turning it over just to give you guys a sense of what it looks like inside. And it also has a pocket. And now I'm actually just gonna take a moment to repack it so you guys can see for yourself how it truly can fit inside. There's no bulging, which I think is important because you want to maintain like that, like, you know, look of the item. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so much as always for watching. If you like this video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell for a notification each time I upload. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.